Hi, I'm Kaval. Today we are going to understand the concept of HCF, highest common factor in detail. Before that, you must know about what our factors are. If you don't know, go and search on my channel what are factors in detail. Okay, now we are further proceeding highest common factor in this video. Let's begin. HCF, highest common factor. What it means, highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the common factor of the given numbers which is the greatest of all the common factors. What it means, highest common factor means we must know about factors of two numbers, then we have to select common factors between them, then after that we have to select highest common factor between them. That's called highest common factor of the given number. So for that purpose, find the HCF of 50 and 70. 50. Write down all this factor. 1, yes. 2, yes, because it's an even number. 50 is divisible by 2. 3, no, because it's an odd number. This could not be come on 3. So we jump to 5. Yes, 5. 10s are 50. So we write both numbers 5, 10. Now next after 10, 2 25s are 50. So 25 is also a factor of 50. And 1 50s are 50. So it's also a factor of 50. So 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50 are factors of 50. Now next 70. Always start from 1. 1, yes. Is a 0 in the end. It's even number. So start from 2. Yes, 2 is a factor of 70. After 2, we will jump to 5, not 3 because it's not an odd number, it's an even number. Remember, I have told you in my previous lecture. So 1, 2, 5, 5, 7, 7 10s are 70 and 10 7s are 70. 5, 5 1s are 5. What is left? 2, 20, 5 4s are 20. So 14 is a factor, yes. And as you know, 2, 3 are 6, 2 5s are 10. So it's become 35 here. And 70 minus 70. I think you know how we find these factors. If you don't know, please go and watch my video on factor. Okay, for your convenience, I write again. As you know, 70 divided by 2, 2 3 are 6, 10, 2 5s are 10. So we have two factors of your 70, 2 and 35. As you know, 35 here and 2 here. Don't forget, okay? As you know, 35, 35, 2s are 5 are 10, 2, 3 are 6, 7, 70. So 35 and 2 both are factors of 70. Find out what are CF. CF means common factor. 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 10, 10. Write down all the common factors of between both two numbers 1, 2, 5, 10. Now, what are highest common factor means highest in all these numbers. What is here? 10. So 10 is HCF of the given question.